If you have gone to gym regularly over a year and discovered that you have gotten considerably strong but haven't achieved your goal of gaining size, your workout isn't necessarily the problem. Start thinking about what you can do to increase the calorie density of each meal. There are many great foods that can help you to boost your calorie density. One of the best way to increase the calorie density of each meal is to increase the amount of high quality fat in each meal. Avocados are a great source of healthy fat and go great with any number of dishes. A medium avocado has 21 grams of fat, 13 grams of carbs and 3 grams of proteins. Sweet potato is cheap source of complex carbohydrate that goes great with any type of meat. This is an awesome side for any dinner, but you don't have to limit the sweet potato to dinner. One large sweet potato is 162 calories and has 37 grams of carbs, 13 grams of fat and 4 grams of proteins. If you are looking to gain some size, pasta is not a bad way to go. You can show down a lot of calories when you consume a pasta. Just pick a plate type that goes well with the rest of the meal and you will be set. 1 cup of cooked plain noodles has 221 calories, 43 gram carbs, 0 gram fat and also 8 gram of protein. All type of nut butters are an awesome source of quality fat and taste amazing. Toss a tablespoon in the blender with some chocolate protein powder and milk for a little changing peanut butter cup shape. There are 200 calories in a 2 tablespoon serving of almond butter with 18 gram fat, 6 gram carbs and also 6 gram of protein. An entire jar of almond butter has 24,000 calories. If you are a hard gainer, you need to be packing as much food into your body as possible. I love ground beef. That's a great thing to love when you consume up to a pound of meat at each meal. 1 4-ounce serving has 243 calories, 17 gram fat, 0 gram carbs and 21 gram of protein. Everything is better with bacon. Well, almost everything. Bacon is a great way to add some extra calories and flavor to all kinds of dishes. But the point is that if you are trying to gain some size, bacon works. There are 42 calories per slice of bacon with 3 gram of fat and 3 gram of protein each. Butter or frame. This is just simply not the case, especially you are looking for ways to add additional calories to your meals. So you can gain size. Just 1 tablespoon of butter can add 100 calories to your meal, all of them coming excessively from the fat, 12 grams.